Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete product breakdown of Hakko AI, a dedicated overlay companion designed to live on your screen, watch your gaming matches in real time, and talk to you through a hands-free voice engine without ever forcing you to press Alt-Tab to read a guide. Built specifically for PC and mobile gamers playing titles like Genshin Impact, Elden Ring, and Honkai Star Rail, Hakko separates itself from basic text chatbots by utilizing a specialized visual language model known as Link-Sol VLM version 1. This visual language model functions exactly like an active backseat gaming buddy, scanning your minimaps, enemy patterns, and character stat meters to automatically call out oncoming flanks, provide immediate boss strategies when you slip up, and shout words of encouragement during high-intensity firefights. The system is layered with a sophisticated multi-device context memory engine that logs your shared history across multiple days, building a unique, evolving relationship with various pre-made or user-generated anime-style personas, ranging from sharp-tongued tsundere catgirls to refined professors. However, looking past this exciting novelty reveals massive technical friction and aggressive commercial structures that can rapidly ruin your user experience. Independent consumer testing reveals the application's live speech-to-text loop is highly unpolished, possessing zero customizable microphone input controls, which causes the AI to cut you off mid-sentence, process random room noise, and get stuck in annoying loops that completely derail your conversational flow. Furthermore, while the platform initially hooks you with a daily allowance of free voice calling, the developers have aggressively locked essential basic features behind a massive paywall, including their autoplay voice output, unrestricted romantic role-play sandboxes, and high-fidelity text-to-image generators. These features demand a hefty subscription fee, ranging from $10 for their Pro tier up to $20 a month for the Ultra membership, accompanied by microtransactions that force you to buy standalone custom skins and separate character unlocks. Ultimately, if you are a casual gamer looking for an approachable, visually engaging desktop mascot to make solo grinding sessions feel less lonely while exploring open-world maps, the visual recognition tech is deeply impressive. But if you demand a fluid, error-free conversation loop that seamlessly respects your vocal pauses, the high price tag and ongoing software bugs will likely make you uninstall the client. Weigh your personal gaming budget, analyze how much you value live visual coaching over simple text guides, and deploy this AI companion according to your explicit entertainment goals. Subscribe the channel for more videos.